Yes, a receptacle outlet for a towel warmer can be supplied from the 20-amp branch circuit feeding the required receptacle outlet near the bathroom sink, even if that circuit serves multiple bathroom outlets. NEC Section 210.52d permits this. That section mandates a 20-amp branch circuit to serve one or more receptacle outlets in the bathroom, specifically for purposes other than lighting. This includes the bathroom receptacle outlets required by 210.11c3. It's important to note, however, in some interpretations the towel warmer receptacle outlet must be within 3 feet of the sink to be on that circuit. Quoting NEC 210.52d, in bathrooms, a 20-ampere branch circuit shall be provided to supply one or more receptacle outlets for other than lighting, including bathroom receptacle outlets required by 210.11c3. This means the 20-amp circuit is essential for the receptacle outlets mandated by 210.11c3, which covers receptacle outlets for the bathroom sink, bathtub, and shower areas. However, this 20-amp circuit isn't restricted to just those specific receptacles. It can also power other receptacle outlets within the bathroom, such as one intended for a towel warmer. Now, some individuals might believe that any 125-volt receptacle in a bathroom should automatically be connected to this dedicated 20-amp circuit as per 210.52d. However, this isn't entirely accurate. The 20-amp circuit is specifically required for the receptacle outlets outlined in 210.11c3. Additional receptacle outlets in the bathroom can be powered by a separate circuit, for instance, a 15-amp circuit. Given that the towel warmer isn't in close proximity to the sink, it isn't mandatory to have it powered by the 20-amp circuit dictated by 210.52d. Despite this, connecting the towel warmer receptacle outlet to the 20-amp circuit is still a permissible option. Therefore, firstly, ensure the 20-amp circuit serves at least the required bathroom receptacle outlet near the sink. Secondly, understand that while not mandatory, if the towel warmer is away from the sink, tapping it into the 20-amp circuit for it is allowed. Thirdly, always consult local amendments to the NEC, as jurisdictions can have specific rules. And fourthly, verify the wattage of the towel warmer to ensure it doesn't overload the 20-amp circuit, though the wattage mentioned, 60 to 100 watts, is minimal. In summary, the NEC permits sharing the 20-amp bathroom receptacle circuit with a towel warmer, bearing in mind the location of the towel warmer relative to the sink and potential local code variations. Always prioritize safety and adherence to the most current electrical codes.